Y'all, do I look ashy? I'm hoping that I don't look ashy. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Ambersharniece, and in today's video I am going to show you my filming setup. So basically I'm going to show you everything from the root to the girl. I'm going to show you all the electronic equipment that I have, and the software, all that good stuff. So I'm going to show you exactly how I film my videos, and hopes that it gives you guys some inspiration to, you know, cop some new equipment if you need it, or just give you some ideas on how you can set your things up. So if you want to see my filming setup, stick around so I can show you. Now in this particular video, I am not trying to brag or boast about the things that I have. I have been on YouTube for about 4 or 5 years now. Almost 5, yeah, almost 5 years now, and I'm just now really getting my whole situation to a situation, okay? Literally like this year. Most of everything that I got is purchased from Amazon, because I am queen of super cheap and affordable, because I like super cheap and affordable, and I'm pretty sure that y'all do too. Now before we jump any further into the video, I would like for you to go ahead and like this video now. Leave me a comment down below letting me know that you were here. Just let me know that you came by, you know, to stop by to watch the video. And if you decide that you like the space that you're in, or if you like me in general, then go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Also, something that's fairly new to YouTube, if you really feel like this video helped you in some sort of way, that you just really like it, if you're on a laptop or desktop computer, unfortunately this is not available on mobile devices, please go ahead and leave me an applause down below. By leaving an applause, you are sending a special donation to my channel to help support the channel, so that I can continue to create and post this amazing content and get even better by knowing exactly what it is that you guys want to see. And I truly appreciate it if you are able to do so. So if you guys are ready, let's get right into the video. I'm currently filming on a Canon T5i right now, and you guys, this camera has taken me through a lot. not in a bad way. It's taken me through the very beginning. I got this camera to start my YouTube channel, and I've gotten all the way here with it, and it's taken me this far. And to be honest with you guys, this year I'm honestly just learning how to set my camera. Not that I didn't look into it before, but now I have all this pretty background stuff that I want to do, and I'm really just not learning how to set my settings to what I really like it to be. And it's so funny that I've done that now and end up purchasing a whole new camera. So with the way that YouTube is going, you guys know that we want to set our stuff up for the future. So I did go out and purchase a 4K camera. So I did go out and get the Canon EOS 90D. And the only reason why I am upgrading my camera is that it does not shoot in 4K. By having a 4K camera now, I am able to create the content that I want to create and be super duper crystal clear. Now I did test this camera out, and the thing about this camera, y'all, kind of made me want to just keep my C5i, because when they say 4K, they really mean 4K. When I tell y'all, every single pore is showing on this camera. So you guys will see this quality coming up very soon. I just ordered a new laptop, because unfortunately the laptop that I have, which is a Lenovo Flex 5, it basically just cannot take that 4K quality being processed through my video editor right now. So I need a computer that I can actually do. Also, the other type of camera that I have is my vlogging camera, which is the Sony Alpha 5100. This is a great vlogging camera. So all my vlog footage, I'll insert some of that somewhere in here. So all my vlog footage that you guys see is being shot off of this camera, simply because I don't want to carry around my super large DSLRs, which is like the body style of this camera. That's what the body style of the camera that I currently have looks like as well. It's huge. I mean, it's not as heavy as that one, but it's huge. And ain't nobody got time to be toting them things around, okay? So also, I want to go ahead and talk about lenses real quick. For your camera that you have, you want to make sure that you have a really good lens. A 50mm lens is a pretty good lens, and I'm shooting off of a Sigma 30mm lens, and it's pretty good. And also, most of the cameras come with a stock lens, which looks like this. This is the kit lens, which is the 18 by 55 millimeter lens. When I purchased my T5i, it came with that lens. I also had like a long zoom lens. I'll show you all my lens in detail in that video where I talk about camera quality and how to get your blurred background. We'll talk about that in detail because there's, of course, a little bit more detail that goes into that. But let's go ahead and get up and let's do this vlog style. I'm going to take my Sony Alpha 5100 and I am going to vlog the rest of this video so that you guys can see all of this awesome equipment. So yeah, let me get my butt up. Before I get my butt up, I did want to discuss really quickly my Canon setup here. This is what I see when I'm sitting down. So what we did here is we downloaded the app. Let me just zoom in instead of moving the camera. We downloaded the app that's on the CameraUSA.com website to be able to view yourself while you're shooting. And I love this feature simply because I don't have to squint my eyes to look at the small viewfinder that's on my camera. We have that, and pretty much it allows you to do everything hands-free. So what we have here is it basically lets me, oh, y'all hear my baby. It basically lets me change my camera settings from what I'm shooting in. I always shoot in manual mode because I have, you know, particular settings that I like to use. And this allows me to just change all the settings right here. Really quick and easy to access. And just for y'all to get a little snapshot of my settings. I'll talk about that more in another video. And I'm going to show you guys right now real quick the editing software that I use. Oh, my hand's shaking. I got the shakies. Okay, here we go. That's one of my best friends right there. The rest of my best friends are on the back of that picture. This is the editing software that I use. This is called Filmora. I have pretty much the super basic version of this editing software, and unfortunately with this software it does not allow me to color grade, change color and stuff like that a lot. It just gives you the option to do like you know, saturation and contrast, stuff like that. All right, first things first is my microphone that I have. If I'm not mistaken, I have this one says a 7 Oak microphone. It's a lapel microphone that you basically attach to yourself. I have fought with my audio for the longest. I just couldn't get it to what I want it to be. But this one seems to be the easiest that I don't have to edit as much. Basically, when I'm doing my editing software, I change it to the bass to make it sound a little bit more deep. And that's all I do with my microphone. So this is the microphone that I currently use, and I really like this one. Okay guys, so this is pretty much what it looks like once I'm stepping into the room. Real quick, I'm going to go on this side of the room. This side has not been set up yet. I literally just started this. If you guys watch my vlogs, you see that I just started building this little area over here. This is pretty much going to be another background for me, so that way I don't have to film over here at all times. But yeah, so these are my this is my equipment, and I have a lot of cords and stuff down here. I got to figure out a way to get these cords a little bit neater because they're everywhere. Okay, so first we're going to start with like the elephant in the room, this thing. This is a reflector, and pretty much it reflects light off of onto my face, so it fills in any shadows. I initially purchased that thinking it was going to be small enough to go onto my table so it can fill in the shadows from the bottom of my face, but unfortunately it's a big one. I didn't really read like I should have, and it's huge. So I just have it sitting over there on that side. This here is my camera, and this is how I have it set up. I have my 3-point light shooting to my face right here in the middle. But pretty much, like I said, it's the T5i, and this is what I film with every day. I'm going to go over the cords that are plugged into this. This cord goes to the computer so that I'm able to see myself like I showed you guys earlier, the live view footage. I'm able to see that. And of course, like I said, this is the cord that goes to the mic. And this little cord here is what we call a lifesaver. So as you guys know, the Canon does come with batteries. This is the battery that I have for the camera. I actually have like 4 batteries to this camera, but that's the only one that holds a charge, which is the actual camera battery that came with it. The rest of them like do not hold a charge whatsoever. So my batteries are always dying while I'm filming. I have to stop filming, charge it back up, and then continue filming. But if you were to purchase the AC adapter, it's pretty much the same shape as the battery, and it has a power cord that's connected to it, and you plug it up, your camera stays on at all times. It's not going to die on you. It's not going to turn itself off, and it's absolutely amazing. The batteries for the T5i and the EOS 80D are completely different, so I had to buy a new cord for my EOS, and I don't even plan on filming yet until I get that cord with that camera, because it's a necessity. Because it takes a long process sometimes to record a video, you guys, and to have your battery dying on you 24/7, ain't nobody got time for that. So yeah, that's what I have over here. So let me go around to the other side. Before I do that, I'm going to show you the lighting that I have. So these are the LED lights. I have 2 of these. These are by the Great Video Maker. I purchased these from Amazon. They're super duper cheap, and they're very versatile. I can go in here and change the brightness. I can also change the temperature on them. So if I want them to be more orange, more natural looking light, I can change that. If I want them to be more white light, I can change that. I can change the brightness on it. So that's absolutely amazing. My ring light is by, I think that's something Koshi. Got that from Amazon as well. All right, so on to my desk area here. Normally when I'm filming, I have my mirror over there that's set up. Can y'all see me? Hey. I have my mirror that's set up there, my computer, my brush, all that good stuff. Let me get back over to this. The most important or the most liked thing that I have in this room is this little guy right here. Literally this little bitty thing. So this is a wireless remote control socket. So let me show you what this does. I purchased like one of those power strips, right? And so I plug all of my electronics, so everything that you see up here, including the camera, is plugged into this power strip. And so the power strip is plugged into this little source here. This remote is connected to that source. So guys, class, what do you think that means? This means this means that I can turn my entire system on with one click of a button, instead of me having to get up, turn this light on, turn that light on, turn this light on, turn the camera on. I can just literally click this button to get everything to come on. So this is what I'm going to do real quick to just show you guys. And my lights are off, my camera's off, everything's off. It also controls the light that's behind me, but this one actually has a touch screen button, so I actually have to turn this one on. But that's the only one that I have to turn on. I'm going to switch back to my main camera real quick so I can show you guys exactly what I mean by this little remote here is a lifesaver. So, see? But that's just with the lighting. So I'm going to go ahead and give you a rundown of my background real quick. I don't know if you guys are interested in seeing that, but I'm more than happy to give you some details on it. So as you guys can see from my main camera, this is what my background looks like. You only see that amount. And that's because of the type of lens that I have, the 30mm lens. That's all that it's going to get, and that's all that I want it to see. But as you can see from my vlogging camera and my background, which is a, what is this, a 16x50 lens. So you can see everything in the background. Little desk that I have back here, I will link everything that I have from Amazon in the description box below, so don't worry. Now this mirror is literally just a white mirror that I purchased off of Amazon, right? And then they had these string lights on Amazon, and I literally purchased these off of there too. They're sticky, so they stick onto the mirror. However, I had some trouble with getting them to stick on there. They kept falling off, so I basically just super glued the bulbs on there, and that's pretty much how I got that set up. I had enough to go around the whole mirror, so they look really, really good. And I did not pay $300+ for a vanity. simply because I'm cheap, like I told y'all before. So I got this little table. It came with silver legs. My husband and I, well, my husband, because I ain't do nothing. My husband spray painted them gold for me. And then we got, well, I put the mirror together myself, and I just propped the mirror up on the table, and that's how I created my little vanity back here. So that's a little DIY project to do if that's something that you're interested in. But oh, also last thing, I forgot about the chairs. I also got these chairs off of Amazon. I got that cubicle off of Amazon. I got the painting off of Amazon. I also want to mention this real quick since it will be part of my setup. It is my name sign that I ordered from Etsy. I think it was only like 40 bucks, but it basically has my name on it. And I'm gonna place it somewhere over there. So I'm not exactly sure if this is how I'm going to leave it. I don't know if I'm gonna put it actually on this. I don't know. We'll fix it. We'll figure out how it's supposed to go. Also wanted to mention to you guys the following videos that you guys will be seeing in the remaining of the series. So I will be showing you guys how to edit your YouTube thumbnails. I'll be showing you how you get this blurry background in your videos as well, as I will be talking about how to make your first viral video. So I had a couple of viral videos on my channel, and I'll be more than happy to give you the secret sauce. If there are any other videos that you guys want to see regarding YouTube, regarding filming, setting up, anything that you can think of regarding YouTube, please leave those requests down in the comment section. Also, subscribe to my channel. Okay, I don't know why I'm so tongue-tied today. Subscribe to my channel if you find it yourself that you like what you see. You know what I mean? You like the vibes and you want to see some more of it. I have more to give. So go ahead and click on that subscribe button. And like I mentioned before in the beginning of the video, if you would like to help support my channel, which I would greatly appreciate that. If you are on your desktop or laptop computer, there should be an option next to the like button somewhere on the screen. I'll show you guys that you can click on that says applause. If you would click on that button, you can definitely leave a donation there to help support my channel, and I truly appreciate that. That helps me produce the content that you guys are loving, that you guys want to see, and I'll be able to do that more regularly for you guys if you're able to select that button. So I'm gonna hit y'all back up on the next video. Bye bye.